Hi guys, so today's video is going to be about hair. I will be curling my hair. I'm going to be using a 1/2 inch wand. So my curls are going to be very small, very tight. My hair is extremely long and I believe these curls are probably going to like go all the way up to here. I want to keep them longer, so I'm going to see what I can do to make like long curls. But this video is actually a remake of Nicole Guerrero's video a couple of months ago. So she recommends that you grab the smallest amount of hair so that you have like a fuller amount of hair at the end. So I guess I'm gonna try to do my best to follow her directions. Let's see what in the world I'm gonna end up with. So if you want to see how this goes, keep on watching. Okay, so first I am going to grab my hair bottom half. She did advise that when you start curling the hair, you grab little pieces. Like, even though you're already like freaking dying to finish, like, be patient and keep grabbing just small pieces, because that makes all the difference. Oh man, I don't have a brush. I'll be right back. Okay, so as I was saying, grabbing small pieces makes all the difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and split the hair in two and grab, I think that's small enough. And like I mentioned, I don't want them to be too tight. So, oh man, the curler's all the way over there. Okay, I won't be doing much talking on the video because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up forwarding a lot of pieces. I'm gonna leave it for like 10 seconds. They're so tiny. I don't think I want it to be this tight. Maybe I do. I'm scared, you guys. I'm really scared. This is the look I'm gonna have the whole night, you know? There's gonna be so many pictures. I guess I'll do a couple, and if I don't like it, I can go wash my hair. Okay, I will continue to do them, and I will just leave them less time to make sure I actually like them. Lola, what are you doing, girl? So this is all done. Don't laugh just yet. I still have to go do some fixing, add some product, stretch out the curls, and I will be back and I will show you guys what I end up. So that is all for today, my loves. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, I was really scared at first how the curlies were so like scrunchy, and I was like, oh my god, what am I gonna do? I was this close to getting back in the shower and just straightening my hair for the night. But thankfully my brain started working and I just added a little bit of water and some of them became straight again. I was able to curl just the tips to make it look nice, but overall I'm very happy with this look. About this volume, you know, I already had a lot of volume because of the curly, so all I did is put it to the side. I did this off camera because I was panicking and I was just trying to get it fixed ASAP. So I did this, I put it to the side, and then I just put a little bit of hairspray here and here, and the volume, I really didn't do anything special to it. It was already very poofy. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching.